Sir, voice is not audible.
My voice is audible? Okay. So we have started this numerical for drawing velocity and acceleration and to find linear velocity and acceleration of the midpoint of the connecting rod and the angular velocity and angular acceleration of the connecting rod. Okay. In solution, we have seen space diagram that we have drawn with the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. So this is the space diagram. Then we have written NBO, that is speed of crank, is equal to 300 rpm. Accordingly, angular velocity of crank that has been calculated with the formula 2 pi n divided by 60. So value of speed, it is 300 rpm, and by putting that value we got 31.47 radian per second as angular velocity. Then we have converted this OB is equal to 150, so and BA is equal to 600 mm into this meter. So here this is as per the scale, don't make any confusion. This we have written for our convenience. This part we have written for our convenience, and that is only can be used for this, and these are the actual dimensions given with respect to connecting rod and the crank. Then linear velocity of B with respect to O. So we got this is B, and linear velocity which is perpendicular to this link and which is shown as VB, that we have calculated by using VB is equal to omega BO into OB. So this is angular velocity and this one is the linked length, that is the radius. So 4.713 meter per second. Then we have seen for determining the linear velocity of midpoint of the connecting rod, we require to draw velocity diagram. So based on the value 4.713, we have selected scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second. So this phase diagram as it is shown on the slide. Then with respect to this link, we need to draw one vector which is perpendicular to this OB. So this VB that indicates velocity of this B relative to O, and we have drawn this OB perpendicular to this link. Then from B point we have drawn BA, which is perpendicular to link AB. Then from O point, to represent the velocity of A with respect to O, we have drawn this third vector. So this one is first one, this is second, and this is third. Now up to this point we have completed. Then velocity diagrams carry forwarded on the next slide. Then we need to determine velocity of A with respect to B. So we need to measure this vector. So vector BA is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Then therefore velocity of B relative to A is equal to 3.4 meter per second. Again, velocity of A with respect to O, we need to measure this, and that is measured, and we have written VA is equal to vector OA is equal to 4 centimeter. So VA is equal to 4 meter per second. Then we need to locate this D point in vector diagram, in the velocity diagram. So it is midpoint. So again we can get here D point as the midpoint of this vector BA, as this D is midpoint of this connecting rod. Already it is given. So divide vector BA at D in the same ratio as D divides AB in the space diagram. So during the examination, so this write-up is not important. So steps which are having values, those are important. So this is not important. So we can have directly the ratio if you are writing, that is better, or in such cases where it is midpoint, again we can locate here midpoint D and join this. So it is also not required with respect to this particular problem. Okay. Then this way we have seen the final velocity diagram. Then this OD is joined. So vector OD represents the velocity of the midpoint D of the connecting rod. Now by measurement, VD is equal to vector OD is equal to 4.1 centimeter. So VD is equal to 4.1 meter per second. Up to this we have completed. Revannath?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next part, so this is just revision for you. Then next line you can write acceleration of the midpoint of the connecting rod. Acceleration of the midpoint of the connecting rod. Then write down determine radial components for the acceleration radial components for the acceleration of B with respect to O and acceleration of A with respect to B. With respect to B. Next line you can write. The radial component of acceleration of B with respect to O in bracket acceleration of B So write down this ARBO is equal to AB is equal to 4.713 bracket square divided by OB in meter. OB in meter. Okay. So for this B with respect to O, so this is relative acceleration method. Previously we have seen relative velocity method to determine the velocity of point. So whether that link or B, or sometimes we have determined the angular velocity. Okay. Next, write down, and the radial component of acceleration. So O, this is B. B we have determined relative to O, and now we need to determine acceleration of this A relative to B. Next line, and the radial component of acceleration of A with respect to B So already in the previous slide we have seen VAB, and that value for VAB is 3.4. So while drawing the velocity and acceleration diagram, after completion of the velocity diagram, you should calculate velocities for various links. Those are useful to calculate the radial component. Up to this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line, write down. Draw acceleration diagram. Draw acceleration diagram. Draw acceleration diagram. Write down scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter per second square. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter per second square. 20 meter per second square. 20 meter per second square. Meter per second square. Now just listen. So this is link OB. This is link BA or AB. So we have determined radial component for this link, radial component, then radial component of this. So by using those components, we are going to start the acceleration diagram, right? Draw vector O dash B dash O dash B dash parallel to BO with the selected scale to represent radial component of the acceleration of B with respect to O. Radial component of the acceleration of B with respect to O. With respect to O. Okay. So this one is the link. And so acceleration value, it is 148 meter per second square. So with the help of this scale, we can have approximately 7.4 centimeter as a length for drawing the vector. So we need to draw one vector parallel to this link OB and direction towards this O. Okay. So take 7.4 centimeter. When we are using this scale, whatever displayed by me on the slide, then there will be 7.4 centimeter distance. If you are going to take here 40, then here 3.7. If you are going to take here 10, then it becomes 14.8. That changes you need to do on your own as per your convenience. So take 7.4 centimeter distance and draw O dash B dash, as in bracket you can write vector O dash B dash is equal to radial component of acceleration BO is equal to AB is equal to 148.1 meter per second. 148.1 meter per second ही व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट केलेली आहे आपण. सो towards the center. So this radial component, again we can call it as a centripetal component towards the center. Draw this. So I have displayed diagram on one side, but I request all the students, they should draw diagram at the middle of the page. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is important. You can write. This is very important sentence and it may be asked in MCQ. Write down. Since 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 the crank OB rotates at constant speed at constant speed at constant speed, comma, therefore there will be no tangential component of the acceleration of B.
Sir, screen is not visible.
1 minute, 1 minute. Now it is visible.
No, sir.
1 minute. Okay, now it is visible. Huh? Okay. So once again I will repeat. Since the crank OB rotates at a constant speed, therefore there will be no tangential component of the acceleration of B with respect to O. This will be asked in MCQ. In other words, so in case of constant crank speed, so there will be two components. There will be only radial component and options will be A, it is true, option B, it is wrong, option C, A and B, and option D, none of these. So what will be the answer? Option A. So in case of constant speed of the crank, there will not be any tangential component. There will be only a radial component. Okay. Next. Okay. Next line you can write the acceleration of A acceleration of A with respect to B acceleration of A with respect to B has two components as follows as two components as follows. As two components as follows. My voice is audible?
Yes,
Omkar?
sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
acceleration
Audible.
of this. Okay, thank you. Okay. So acceleration of A with respect to B, it has two components. One is along the link and one is perpendicular to the link. You should remember this much only. So what we have seen for the tank, there is only one component and that is parallel to link, and that is nothing but centripetal or the radial component. In case of this connecting rod or link AB, there are two components. One is radial, which is parallel to link, and one is perpendicular, and that we are going to call it as a tangential component. So how to determine that? So radial component of acceleration of A with respect to B, that is ARAB. So already we got this value. Then tangential component of acceleration of A with respect to B, that we need to draw. So this ARAB, whatever value we have calculated, what is that value, Omkar? What is that value? Revannath, what is value for ARAB?
19.3.
Okay, so on the basis of this 19.3, so 19.3 approximately 1 centimeter, बरोबर? Okay, so this is radial component. So radial component we are going to draw along this line or parallel to this line in the vector diagram. So we are going to draw one vector. So this one is the starting point and this is the end point for the first vector. So we are going to draw one vector in vector diagram which is parallel to this AB. So like this. Okay. So this is the vector parallel to this B dash X. It is parallel to this AB. Draw this approximately 1 centimeter in length. Draw this. फक्त एवढं लक्षात ठेवा की एक वेक्टर पॅरलल काढायचा आहे लाईनला, जो पॅरलल असेल that we are going to call it as radial, and vector which is perpendicular to the link, that is nothing but the tangential component. हे झालं का कंप्लीट? अजय झालं का कंप्लीट हे?
No, sir.
ओके ओके. शंकर तुम्ही ड्रॉ केले का? शंकर बनसोड. प्रेम, have you drawn? प्रेम चव्हाण.
The screen is not visible.
हॅलो. काय म्हणताय प्रेम?
स्क्रीन दिसत नव्हतं सर, आता दिसत आहे. 2 मिनिट.
बर बर बर, ठीक आहे ठीक आहे, असू दे. किरण, तुमचं झालं का कंप्लीट? किरण, चैतन्य.
Yes, sir.
ओके. Okay. So here the radial component of acceleration of A with respect to B, that is denoted by AR AB. This we have drawn. Then next line you can write tangential component of acceleration. Tangential component of acceleration. Tangential component of acceleration of A with respect to B with respect to B in bracket A T A B. Okay. Then next line. From point X, from point X, from point X, draw vector x a dash perpendicular to इकडे लक्ष द्या. So this is radial component. So for more clarity I will draw here. Okay. So radial component started with this P dash and this is the end point. Now tangential component is perpendicular to this link like this, and which is the end point? This is the end point. So this is radial component and this one is tangential component, and here we are going to write ATAB. So this value is not given, just we are drawing one vector like this. Draw this. तर याचं मॅग्नेट्यूड आपल्याला माहित नाही, सो magnitude we are not knowing, so we have calculated this value, and this we have drawn as per the procedure. One is parallel, that is AR AB, and other one is perpendicular. एकाच लिंकचा विचार करायचा एका वेळेस. कंप्लीट झालं का इथपर्यंत?
नो सर, नो.
नो सर.
ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. ओंकार झालं का?
येस सर, कम्प्लीटेड.
ओके. रेवन्ना तुमचं झालं का?
Completed, sir.
ओके. शंतनू, सुशील देशमाने.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what will be the next step? Now we need to draw one vector. So this A point, that means this slider is going to reciprocate along this line. So we need to show its acceleration in the acceleration diagram. Okay. So next line you can write from O dash, draw vector O dash A dash parallel to path of motion of A, which is along AO, bracket complete. To represent the acceleration of A, that is A small a suffix capital A to stop, and in bracket you can write vector x A dash and O dash A dash intersect at A dash. Draw this vector. झालं का complete? झालं का complete up to this? Sushil, up to this completed? Omkar?
Completed.
Okay. So now just by observing the acceleration diagram, whatever we have drawn, so you can see that this is AB. This one is the radial component for the crank, and this is A. this represent motion of A and in turn acceleration of A with respect to this O. And for this link there are two components. One is radial component that we have drawn and one is tangential component that we have drawn. Now to represent total acceleration of this AB, of this link, so we need to draw one line as a resultant of these two for this vector and this vector. Join, next line you can write, join A dash B dash, join A dash B dash one minute. Up to this completed? झालं का? Okay, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you can write, to determine, or sorry, to find, next line, to find the acceleration of the midpoint D, of the midpoint D of the connecting rod AB, of the connecting rod AB, comma, divide the vector A dash B dash at D dash in the same ratio as D divides AB. हा D पॉइंट म्हणजे मिड पॉइंट आहे, हा कनेक्टिंग रॉड. हा टोटल ऍक्सेलरेशन आपण इथे दाखवलंय. हा डॉटेड लाईनचा काही संबंध नाही, राईट. सो दिस इज radial component, this one is the tangential component, and total acceleration we have represented with this thick line. This one is the dotted line. So D divides this AB, हा मिड पॉइंट आहे. इथे एक मिड पॉइंट लोकेट करायचा. वॉट एव्हर डिस्टन्स as per distance drawn by you can put here D point or simply as an procedure we can write B dash A dash divide by B dash D dash divided by B dash A dash is equal to BD BA. So from this we can have value of BD. So this is actually not required in such numericals. D midpoint आहे म्हणल्यानंतर इथे एक midpoint घ्यायचा आणि that is nothing but the D point. Next line you can write since D is since D is the midpoint of AB, therefore D dash is also midpoint of vector B dash A dash. Draw this, indicate first denote A point and then draw or join this point to this point. Next line you can write vector O dash D dash represents the acceleration of midpoint D of the connecting rod of the connecting rod that is A small a suffix capital D. And tell me value of this A suffix capital D. Measure vector, this next line you can write by measurement. How much centimeter? रेवन्नाथ किती सेंटीमीटर आहे? OD ओंकार किती सेंटीमीटर आलं?
6.1. 6.1.
ओके. हा, रेवणनाथ तुमची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? You can write your own values by measurement. AD is equal to vector O dash D dash and is equal to 5.8 centimeter. As per answer given in the book, I have just written those values. So 6.1 is also correct. So what is
5.9.
okay? Correct. 5.9. Good. Correct. Then tell me value of acceleration AD into 20. So AD is equal to 117 meter per second square. तुमची काय आली असेल ती व्हॅल्यू लिहा. एक 120 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेअर. ओंकार व्हॅल्यू 120 पॉइंट समथिंग मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वेअर. Then as per Revannath's measurement, whatever measured vector, it is around 119 meter per second square. अजय किती आली व्हॅल्यू तुमची ऍक्सेलरेशनची?
2.9.
किती? 2.9.
Scale
हॅलो.
40.
हा, चालेल चालेल, बरोबर आहे. नो नो इश्यू. यू हॅव टेकन 40 मीटर पर. किती घेतलं तुम्ही?
40 meter per
40
second
मीटर
square.
पर सेकंड. बरोबर आहे, बरोबर आहे, मग बरोबर आहे. नो इश्यू. हा, गुड. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट. Next line you can write angular velocity of the connecting rod. Angular velocity of the connecting rod. Angular velocity of the connecting rod. So how to find out angular velocity of connecting rod? So simply omega AB is equal to this is the formula. Okay. Next line. You can write this omega AB is equal to VAB divided by BA or AB, one and the same. हे आपण व्हेलॉसिटी डायग्राम मध्ये बघितलंय तेच पुढे घेतोय. So whatever answer you got for VAB, that you are going to write there and divide by length, that is in meter. Okay. Next you can write. झालं कितपर्यंत?
No, sir.
हाँ. Okay. Next, you can write angular acceleration of the connecting rod. Angular acceleration of the connecting rod. Okay. Okay. Next line you can write from the acceleration diagram. From the acceleration diagram. So just I will copy paste that diagram here as well. Write down from the acceleration diagram. By measurement x a dash is equal to तुमची काय व्हॅल्यू आली ती लिहा. किती आली व्हॅल्यू तुमची?
5.3.
Okay, no issue. Write down. Next line you can write therefore this ATAB is equal to, so whatever 5.3 into scale, x 109 110 112, that is correct. Okay, write down. Next line, write down. We know that angular acceleration of the connecting rod angular acceleration of the connecting rod AB so alpha AB is equal to ATAB divided by BA.
Up to this completed?
Up to this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with respect to this point only, so whatever previous slide, just I will show you the previous slide. So in order to avoid the confusion in your mind. So suppose this is the mechanism, given mechanism, and if this is the crank, listen carefully. Those who are going to listen carefully, so it is better to get the answer regarding the MCQ. And if this link is given, and to this link only I will show here, so just I will enlarge this figure. So why it is important? So that's why I'm repeating this content. Okay. So here speed is given. That means omega is given. So constant velocity, constant angular velocity. And suppose if alpha is given, that indicates there is change in angular velocity. Rate of change of angular velocity, that is nothing but the acceleration. जर असा अल्फा दिला असेल तर ह्या ओबी साठी किंवा ह्या ओबी लिंक साठी there will be two components. One is tangential component and one is radial component. So based on this, so there will be two components. Now we have drawn the acceleration diagram. Okay. So for the first one, for this link, we have drawn only one component that represents total acceleration because there is only speed is given. Now for this link there are two components, one is radial component and one is tangential component. So this tangential component is going to exist because there is change in angular velocity of this link. So that's why here we have taken that angular velocity. So just for calculation of this, just I will show you angular acceleration of the connecting rod. For that we have taken this A tangential acceleration tangential component of this AB divided by this BA to get this alpha AB. So wherever alpha is given, then there will be two component, and to get that component we need to put value of this ATB. किंवा असं वाइस वर्सा असं समजून चाला की एखाद्या ठिकाणी अल्फा दिले तर त्या केस मध्ये तुम्ही काय करणार आहे, ATAB is equal to alpha AB into this. पुढची केस दाखवतो तुम्हाला एक. Here. So for this figure displayed here, they have given alpha BC. इथं alpha घेतलंय त्यांनी. So here there is alpha 1200 radian per second. तर इथं ह्या BC साठी दोन कंपोनेंट असणार आहे. एक असणार आहे radial and another one is tangential. So this is for your kind information I have shown. Okay. Next line. Okay. Up to this completed. Okay. झालं का सगळ्यांचं? ओंकार झालं का?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. Then take down next numerical. Take down next numerical. So just I will dictate, or you can write from the screen. An engine mechanism shown in figure given below the crank CB equal to 100 mm, and the connecting rod BA equal to 300 mm with width 60 center of gravity G, center of gravity G, comma 100 mm from B, 100 mm from B. To stop. In the position shown, comma, the crankshaft has speed of 75 radian per second. So they have given omega directly. They have given omega directly instead of giving the speed. Crankshaft has a speed of 75 radian per second. Speed in terms of angular velocity they have given. And angular acceleration and angular acceleration 1200 radian per second square. 1200 radian per second square. To stop. Write down. Find number 1. Find number 1. Velocity of G. Velocity of G. And angular velocity of AB. Angular velocity of AB. So this is related to the velocity diagram. This is related to the velocity diagram. First bit is related to velocity diagram. And number 2, acceleration of G and angular acceleration of AB. Angular acceleration of AB. स्टेटमेंट लिहिलं का? ओंकार स्टेटमेंट लिहिलं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line you can write, draw space diagram using suitable scale. Draw space diagram using suitable scale. So whatever dimensions, here 100 mm, here 300 mm, here 100 mm. So just consider the maximum dimension. It is 300 mm. Based on that, we are going to select the scale. So 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. Again, for this 300 mm, 6 centimeter will be there. For this 100 mm, 2 centimeter will be there. So draw space diagram using suitable scale and write there scale 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. 50 mm. Okay. Draw this with scale. lecture. Completed. Completed up to this. रेवन्नाथ झालं का इथपर्यंत?
No, sir. Yes. Center of gravity G, that velocity for that G we need to determine. So once again this space diagram is displayed. Okay, next line you can write, to determine the velocity of G and angular velocity of AB, draw a velocity diagram. draw a velocity diagram. So already 3 to 4 times we have drawn velocity diagram. Okay, next line. Now we are going to draw one vector perpendicular to this link, one vector perpendicular to this link, and one vector parallel to this link. So like this. Like this velocity diagram will be there. Okay. So draw vector CB perpendicular to link CB using scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second to represent velocity of B with respect to C. स्केल प्रमाण किती येणार आहे 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. ड्रॉ दिस वेक्टर. एरो एवढा मोठा दाखवू नका. तो रेवन्नाथ.
येस सर.
हा, एरो एवढा मोठा दाखवू नका. हा मी दाखवलाय डिस्प्ले करण्यासाठी फक्त.
ओके ओके सर.
ओके.
कम्प्लीटेड
दिस फर्स्ट वेक्टर. झाला का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next steps you should not write, huh? Only just see. Already we have repeated this content. Then draw second vector. So just I have made this vector diagram with the help of the facilities available in the PPT. So This one is perpendicular to this link. This one is perpendicular to this link. Okay, up to this completed?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then draw third vector, and which is parallel to this AC or along this AC. We need to draw in this vector diagram. Draw this. I will consider attendance those students who are typing their roll number after 3:27 p.m. So that attendance will be considered. So those who are typing roll numbers, their roll numbers and their name at 3:27 p.m. onwards. And please avoid a repetition of your roll number in chat box. Up to
Completed,
this
sir.
completed? झालं का? ठीक आहे.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next line you can write. So this is the velocity diagram. Next line you can write. Since the point G, our aim is to determine velocity of G. Since the point G lies on this AB, therefore divide vector AB. Vector means in this vector diagram, divide vector AB at G in the same ratio as G divides AB in the space diagram. So this is the phase diagram. This one is point G. We need to locate this G in the vector diagram. Now, from this B it is 100 mm and from this A it is 200 mm. So if we are going to denote the G point just by locating, so this is A and this one is B. If you are going to measure this total length, divide by 3, and from this B point we can locate G directly. ह्या बाकीच्या प्रोसिजरची काही गरज नाही, right? Otherwise you can write AG upon AB, AG that is not known upon AB is equal to AG upon AB. टोटल लेंथ किती आहे, डिवाइड बाय 3 तेवढं डिस्टन्स इथे येणार. सो मेजर, टेल मी, somebody should tell me value of AG, small AG. अजय तुम्ही सांगा. So here AG is equal to capital AG upon this AB into AB. So AG 200, AB 300 into AB. किती आली सांगा व्हॅल्यू. What is the value for this AG? सांगा कोणी तर एक जणांनी. अजय किती आली व्हॅल्यू इथली AG ची? AG ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली अजय? रेवन्नाथ किती आली व्हॅल्यू AG ची?
2.8.
हा 2.8.
2.8.
Then locate that point. Show this dotted line. किती व्हॅल्यू आली रेवन्नाथ, किती व्हॅल्यू आली इथली AG ची?
2.8.
2.8. Okay. Now put your attendance. Now it is 3:31. Then only I will consider your attendance, those who are in the lecture. Now onwards I am going to consider. So time is there, time is coming while you are putting the attendance immediately.